Welcome to Tic-Tac-Toe 7x7 versus AI. This is a project made with Python coding without the usage of APIs nor generational machine learning. It is strictly just Python coding. Your objectives is simple. As it is a tic-tac-toe game, you do the same. Except I made it into a 7x7 grid, so I also made the rules. And the rules are that you'll need 4 straight lines to win. A 5 line gets you 2 points, and a 6 line wins you the game. As simple as that. Overall, a simple project made into a complicated one. I hope you enjoy.